From up here, you'd be forgiven for thinking, is that some perfectly kept fairy tale town? And you know what, you wouldn't be far wrong, but the story of how it came to look like this is pretty dramatic. I'm Ronnie, and my travel style can be a little intense. I like to see it all, do it all, and experience everything that a place has to offer. So if you're up for a really immersive travel experience, you're in the right place. Okay, so I'm now in Telch, a bit like talc, but with an E. It's another UNESCO World Heritage site here. I like those. We've got a lot of those. Telch has this incredible history, basically rising from the ashes after a massive fire. It's quite the comeback. I'll show you around and tell you what makes Telch tick. This is where it's all happening. Zacharias of Hradec Square, with all these incredible old houses all the way around it. Such a cute little town. They're all like slightly different, but they've all got their own arches. All the arches are different styles. All the buildings are different colours. It's quite cute. Well, there's a uniformity to them as well, in that everyone has, on the first floor, oh no, that one's got 4 windows. Most of them have 3 windows. Most of them have 3 arches. This guy's the non-conformist with 4 windows. Is there any others? Oh, those ones over there have 4 windows. You've also got these cool covered walkways. Loubi they call them here. Good for getting out the sun in the height of summer, or hiding from the rain the rest of the time. The whole square just has a really nice, timeless atmosphere. Its unique look even caught the eye of a filmmaker or two over the years, and scenes from the 1979 version of Nosferatu were filmed here. But Telch's own story is perhaps a bit more interesting than a movie plot. This stunning square isn't how it always looked. So the story behind these houses is quite interesting. Actually, they used to be sort of Gothic style, and then there was a big fire that destroyed pretty much all of them. So everything you see now is down to a huge makeover that the town's residents, led by local legend Zacharias of Hradec, yeah, the square is named after him, this absolute lad got the whole town rebuilt from a pile of ashes into the stunning Renaissance and Baroque setup. He wanted a unified look, which is why the houses are all similar in size and have these great arcades connecting them. Probably wasn't good at the time, but kind of contributes to why the town's an attraction today. Apparently, so the houses, they're all linked obviously on the ground level. They're called burger style houses. You're not going to find a Big Mac in there, but apparently some of them are linked inside as well. I suppose quite a nice story of like the community coming together and stuff. So that's cute. And this square is massive. I mean, it's not a square, it's a massive triangle. And of course there's a couple of big churches. And the other thing it has is its castle. This was our mate Zacharias' house. It's a decent size. It used to be Gothic, but Zacharias, clearly a guy with decent taste and a fan of all things Italian Renaissance, had it spruced up a bit. From the outside and wandering through the courtyards, it still looks pretty grand, and it's definitely worth poking your nose around. It's a nice castle, nice little garden bit. I'm not sure if I should have paid to come in here. I'm just walking through open doors. But I've seen a bit where people appear to be buying tickets, but... okay. So you can pay to go and see specific bits of it. Another thing that makes Telch is that it's surrounded by these big ponds. They sit either side of the old town centre, and when the water's still, the reflections look pretty good. They weren't just for show though. They used to be part of the town's defences, basically just giant puddles to keep people that you didn't want to come in out. And that tower over there, that's the Church of the Holy Spirit, and it's one of the oldest bits of Telch. The tower especially is proper ancient, way older than the houses on the square. So what's it like here? It's got a really special feel. Walking around, particularly when it's quiet, you do get that fairy tale thing going on. It's also so well looked after. It's not a crazy busy town, it's more about just having a slow walk around, taking it in, appreciating the buildings and the history. So I've been seeing these things everywhere. I did try to ask what it is. I think it's a Czech. I managed to confirm. I'm pretty sure it's just a donut. Kind of looks like a donut with like vanilla cream. I don't think you can eat it with your hands. It's very soft. I think like when you come, not that I expect them to obviously, but I don't know any Czech. I think it's quite a difficult language to learn. But I think when you come outside of Prague, English is quite limited. Okay, the best way to describe it is like a profiterole. It's like that type of choux. Is that called choux? Choux pastry? It's like that, with vanilla cream. Pretty good. It's a very cute little town. Very quiet. So that's Telch for you. A stunning little town with this great comeback story, rising from a devastating fire to become the UNESCO gem it is today. For me, it's that blend of beauty and resilience that makes it a place you won't forget in a hurry. You should definitely pop Telch on your list if you're heading out this way. If you want to see more content like this, please give this video a like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, it really helps. Cheers, see you soon.